Don't want to miss a Shield Garage video? Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell. Boogity.
It's gonna be a demo freaking derby.
People are already coming to pit road. How do you guys wreck coming off of pit road? Jesus Christ. Yeah, coming out of pit road. These guys, yeah, they were coming out of pit road and they crashed each other. Oh, and they're already trying to spin. You can't see a fucking thing. You can't see shit. Yep, there goes Bubba. Yep. Oh, the 48 just dumped his shit.
Well, there's going to be a fight afterwards, and Bubba's going to get somebody defeated.
Oh, man, that was a hard hit. And we almost caught. He did. He almost caught the 16 with him. He's gonna be feeling it tomorrow, probably, but not a scratch on him.
But you know how things are. Accidents do happen.
What the f***? It broke?
I wouldn't mind if Bowman won, but I wouldn't enjoy him to win. That'd be way better. Jesus Christ, guys. Oh! I thought somebody was upside down. That was scary to see. I thought that was an undertray of a car. I was like, wait a second. You might as well get rid of the lap counter. That doesn't matter. Oh boy, here we go. Ooh, Priest got in the... Oh, wow. Is it possible to see a flip before the end of this race? I mean, I'll be happy with a Reddick win. I'd rather see Bowman win. That's just the difference. Oh, he hit the wall. That's it. Well, that's interesting, I guess.